look at that.
Yep.
4 straight keyholes, baby.
Looks good.
4 straight keyholes.
Looks good.
You like how that little weaver scope is completely signed in after not touching it for weeks? Isn't that awesome?
I like that. I do like that.
Are you ready?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go with round 1. Johnny is getting ready to go hit the spinners, then the flies, then the spinners, then the spinners. I am ready, sir.
Going high.
Go ahead. Seven, 8, 9, 'kay, there's 10 shots on the flies, going to the spinners. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, 4 hit, 5 hit. Going to the next spinner. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, 4 hit, 5 hit. Going to the next spinner. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, 4 hit, 5. That was a miss. Do you have any rounds left in there? You shouldn't, but you can try to shoot.
Yeah, I got 1. I loaded another.
Okay. Just hold off on that, Johnny. We'll go to the.
I'm gonna knock the blinker down real quick.
Oh yeah. Okay. There you go. Good job. Go, LeRoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hit. Okay, going over to the spinners. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 miss, 4 miss, 5 hit. You messed that up.
So what?
You're only supposed to take 5 shots. You're gonna run out of rounds now. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, 4 hit, 5 hit.
Yeah.
1 hit, 2 miss, 3 hit. That's it. Okay, so since he hit all the first ones and hit all the second ones, we used up all his rounds, he ended up not getting 3 points on the last one, right? Are we ready, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got 10 rounds on this. Here we go. it. I got one miss. Alright, go count some flies. So I got 5. Alright, let's go see what we got for some flies.
I think that was a hit. I think that was a hit. That was at 3 o'clock. Almost 4 mil.
Left or right?
Right, yeah.
A little high still?
12 o'clock, just barely.
Okay.
Right, it went right through the backdrop. Just skimmed right over the plate. Actually saw the trace.
Little high still?
Was that low right?
That was low right. Fuck. Again.
How'd you do today? Feel like you did pretty good, Johnny?
Yeah. I mean, I was hitting that steel on deuce.
Yes, your deuce was doing really nice. What about you, LeRoy? Could have done better today. Bolt guns were not exactly doing what we hoped. We have to be a little more precise with them. But we are having a blast.
We are. We can definitely hit a lot of shit right around the target.